It is hugely welcome news, Dara, because we all know, anybody that visits Ely Road and walks around that track knows the condition. It's not usable. It's lived its life. It needs to be fully replaced. And thankfully, this is the council, through its own resources, putting it out there for those who provide these kind of international standard tracks to bid on the contract. Now, further to my research, Dara, these works are undertaken by very limited qualified suppliers, and the actual work will be undertaken in the summertime of 2026. So it's hugely welcome news, and it isn't only the track that is going to be upgraded, but rather all sorts of ancillary works will be undertaken as well, such as the throwing cage will be upgraded and all the sand pits will also be upgraded. So it's really, really a positive news story for Ennis, the largest town in Munster, we mustn't forget, and continually growing. So we will now have an international standard athletics track here in Ennis for all sorts of regional and national competitions.
Yeah, and that is the main thing, is that you want to ensure you can secure those competitions and maintain the profile and status of it going forward.
Exactly, Dara, because there have been times over the past years where we have some local excellent athletes, and in order for them to train properly, they've had to go to tracks in County Tipperary. So into the future, that won't be necessary. But it's also important to be reminded that already in the past number of years, there's been some serious investment put into the Lees Road, John O'Sullivan Lees Road. For instance, this weekend, there will be an opening of the public toilets there, which have been expanded and upgraded, and that has cost €100,000. Also in the past, we've had the AstroTurf upgrade, which has been resurfaced also, and that cost $250,000. And then, of course, all the LED lights were replaced and upgraded for both the track and the AstroTurf pitch, and that cost $100,000. So you can see the serious monies that are being invested into this very important amenity in our capital town.